Man, we about to change the oil on the car, man. It's at 55%, so it's my first time changing the oil in my car. We about to go ahead and go at it. Of course, the things we need: the oil. We got Mobile One 5W30. It takes 10 quarts, so I got two 5-quart jugs, and then I just got another 5W30. 1 quart just to flush it out after I drain it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. We also got a K&N oil filter, and the last thing, we gotta turn the beast on, cool it back a little bit. We just needed to run a little bit to get the oil a little bit thicker, so you know we can so the oil can flow out easily. You know what I'm saying? Just let it heat up. Don't let it sit too long, cause you know you gotta be under the car, so you don't want to be stupid hot. So we gonna move this out the garage. In about 20-15 minutes, come back out here and drain the oil, and you know, go through the process. It's not cold because I had to go get the oil pan and to drain the oil, so it's not cold, but it's still a little loud. Why I wanted to change the oil myself too is I wanted to check the oil catch can. I can't remember how long ago we put it on, but I don't know when I got my oil changed at the dealership did they change it. I don't think they would have changed that, but we gonna be changing it ourselves. So I let the engine cool down a little bit more. Let it cool down for about 5-10 more minutes, and you see we got it all jacked up. We got space to scoot under there. Put an oil pan on there. The jack stands on the sub brace, and I left the jack under there just for assurance. And I put a 2x4 behind the back wheels. We just waiting for it to cool down. Start the oil change, and I'm gonna show y'all guys what the catch can look like. I had to have the catch can on there for like 1,500 miles or something like that. So this is gonna be like 1,500 miles later. Okay, we got that draining. It's dark, so we're gonna let that do that. So y'all, after I got off the dyno that day, I kept getting a suspension light, right? Look what I found. If you see like right here, let me put my phone down. This is wild actually. So I'm done doing my oil change. This is the little magnetic rise sensor, the wheel speed sensor, I think. It popped off when they were doing the dyno, I think. And now, I think if I could pop that back on, that suspension code will go away. So let's see something. Hold on. How do we pop that back on actually? I'm in a different video doing this. How did this even pop off? I'm gonna need to get my mallet actually and just tap that back on with my mallet. I'm actually happy I found that. But we gotta see if it's the same over there. So let me finish with this. That stopped draining. Yeah, we about to actually put 2 videos in one. Let's get it. Got the drain plug. I don't think the drain plug gonna shoot this far. We gonna see. All right, we're gonna see. I'm gonna put this right here. Why the hell is this on so tight? Dang, it's a long plug. Crap. Yeah, I needed to get changed. Actually, that's pretty dark. You can still see through it, but it's pretty dark. You know what I am about to do is I'm about to put a 1/2 quart in there and let's get the rest of the oil out. So I'm gonna leave the camera down here while I do that up top. I actually can't wait to try this little thing out right here. It's supposed to, I'm gonna need to wipe this camera off, but it's supposed to go up in there. So, guess you bend it to the hole like that, and then you put it in there. Okay. So now, what I did was, I pre-filled this, and I put oil around the ring, and we about to go install everything. This little Aries oil, bendable oil funnel is legit. No spill. I don't want to speak nothing up, but you know, no spill. Man, if you're using a regular oil funnel, you need to go get rid of that thing and get one of these, man. It's called, it's an Aries something, but you know, you get on Amazon, I think I paid like 17 bucks. Might as well rinse it off and put it up. It's pretty nice though. Pretty nice. Now, I also want to check the oil catch can, so we about to check all that at the same time. So let's get out there. We got that all unscrewed. Let's see what's in here. Moment of truth. It's weird because it gotta go this way. Usually it's counterclockwise to unscrew stuff, but this way you had to go clockwise. So let me tighten this back up. Let me get my little rag real quick. It's weird, you gotta go clockwise. Oh, it's not that much oil in there. It's dirty though. It caught a nice amount. A nice amount. It's just dirty. I don't see no metal shavings and no, I see a tiny bit of shave. But I put this on when I first got the car basically, so yeah, put that in there. Yeah, black. Nothing in there though. It's pretty clean. So the oil catch can works. So let's put this stuff back on. Let's turn the car on. When I put my car on the dyno for the magnetic ride, make sure everything reading. See that service suspension button thing? That should go away after I clear the code, because that sensor I showed you guys, let me turn on my light. That sensor I showed you guys under the car, it was unhooked, and that was the sensor, that was the wheel speed sensor, I think. So that's what happened when we put it on the dyno. So hopefully that fixes that code. But yeah, I'm gonna shut it off here in a second. I just want to let that oil run through a little bit. Let me go actually and reset the let me go ahead and reset the oil. Actually, we at 100%, baby. Yes, sir. All right, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. And your boy is real out. Good. He like that. He like that. I let it run a little bit though. Letting the oil go around. We gonna take it out and check and see. I need to add a little bit more. We gotta see what this is about. It got a rough idle right now. Listen. I don't know what's going on. Gotta get it tuned. Look at that.